After a long day of being out of the house, time to get some water boiling and go cook something up. Stay tuned. First, put away my hologram foam puzzles. That is a nice shiny pair. Shiny pair. Alright, put my shoes away. Now time to go cook some pasta. Alright, I was able to gather all my ingredients, including some ground beef, some tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, a clove of garlic, and some Barilla spaghetti. I know you're just like, wait, this is just like every other spaghetti dish, but this is my spaghetti dish, which makes it different. Alright, while that's boiling, go chop up some garlic and put you on the head mount so you can watch. Alright, it sounds like our water has come to a boil. Let's take a look. And let's go dump in some pasta. So we go crack some of this. To make it fit better, you go crack it in half. Sorry about the weird camera angle because you're on my head mount. Go crack this in half. Ooh, got a loose here. Yeah, I'm going to per the instructions, it says boil it for about 9 minutes, so let's set that. Alright, now stir every couple of minutes if possible. Added a little bit of salt to go give it some flavor. And now we just let it boil and then time to go start on some sauce. I think it's almost good to go. Almost time to add the sauce itself. Time to add the sauce. Alright, looks like the sauce is ready. Go try it out on some spaghetti. Stir it. Let it simmer for a while on, but we're going to do a test run. Now time to grate some cheese. finished product. It's good, don't it? Well, hope they enjoy.